Classic Car Sales. I'd like to thank everyone for taking the time to watch this video. Today we're going to be going through a pretty unique car. This is a 1970 Oldsmobile 442. This is a W-30 option car. One of the unique things too about this particular car is that it is a fully documented car. Everything from the original bill of sale, the original window sticker, protecto plate, and about every other document you could imagine that came with this car when it was new. It's not often I find fully documented cars, but I find that they do, for you collectors out there, bring increasing value to the cars in the future. All that will be displayed. I will have pictures of that as soon as I get it together. And so I just wanted to let you know it's a matching numbers car, or born with drivetrain, and it's really, really a super car. I've had one other W-30. It was a 4-speed. This one is an automatic. It does have the slapstick or dual gate, however they referred to it for the Oldsmobile line. And those that are familiar with me know that I mainly carry 4-speed cars, so but I really have enjoyed, you know, before going into service, this car with its automatic. So without any further ado, let's go driving. For those of you that may not be familiar with the Oldsmobile or the W-30, the W-30, this is a 455 cubic inch displacement engine with an incredible amount of torque. I believe the rating off the top of my head is like about 510 foot-pounds of torque. Of course, back then, from 1970, all our cars were underrated. They claim 360 horsepower on here, and please, if I get any of the stats wrong, make sure and comment below. I appreciate it, but I can't remember them all, so I'm not going to be doing too much talking through here other than mainly letting you enjoy the drive. One unique thing, this car does have all working gauges, including the factory clock that was part of the tachometer clock option in the car. Another unique thing to the W-30, even though having power steering and it seems like all the creature comforts, the car also does have manual brakes, which were mandatory on the W-30. So just want people, even though they stopped very, very well, excellent road feel. These are, after having one, probably one of my favorite cars as far as, for at least where I'm at in my age, in my life, because I can cruise and I can enjoy quick takeoffs. I don't have to wind the motor out like I do my precious Z28s. So I think you really, really would enjoy the driving experience in this car. Try to go through every one of our cars. I drive each car approximately 200 miles before it even goes into service. So you can be enamored by the actual working AM radio.
Every stronghold, a matchless name, higher than all others. Oh, praise the name.
So spoiled with our modern technology, and you know, it's we're used to these, our new 14 and 19 speaker stereos that the cars come with now. But for me, sometimes it's just enjoyable to even click on an AM radio for a little bit. So. Well, I think I slapped one too many there. It didn't start out in the lowest gear. We'll try it again up here. Well, I blew it again, but anyway, I'll need to practice on that. So, but once the car broke loose in the rear end, I thought I'd better lay out of it a little bit. Thank you. I really appreciate everybody out there, especially all you folks that have been working with me. Most of you would know, or some of you would know, that I am just a one-man dealer doing this as a hobby, but I really love it, and I love the car community, and I just love what people do. So, any questions, make sure and give me a call. Again, my name is Tris. I'm with Precious Metal Classic Car Sales, and I look forward to the next video.